Nothing has launched 5 smartphones until now, with one being a part of the CMF lineup. Now we hear the brand is having 3 new phones under active development, and they are expected to arrive in the first half of 2025. The source doesn't get into the specifics, but one of these 3 smartphones could be the rumored Nothing Phone 3 that surfaced on Geekbench a few days ago, bearing model code Nothing A059 and having the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 SoC under the hood. It had 8 GB RAM on board, ran Android 15, and scored 1,149 and 2,813 points in Geekbench's single and multi-core tests, respectively. The last phone Nothing launched was the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, followed by the Nothing Phone 2A Plus Community Edition, which glows in the dark. It was sold out in 15 minutes during the first sale and had a limited drop in London later. If you couldn't get one, you might want to consider the standard model. You can read our detailed Nothing Phone 2A Plus review to learn more about it. And if you prefer to watch a video review, it's linked below.